Hey there Mavic fans, I just picked up this package of 5 ND filters for $39.95 off of Amazon. Let's take them for a test flight. Oh, and for you wine fans, there's an Easter egg in this video too, but stick around to see it.
Reach the wizard.
Alrighty then, I just picked up the Neewer 9886 DJI Mavic filter lens set with the UV, the CPL, ND4, ND8, and ND16. Now I don't claim to be a filter fan or anything, and honestly this is the first set of filters I've ever purchased, but I was just tired of that washed out look that the Mavic was giving me. So I figured, you know what, these are 39 bucks. I mean, it's a mid-range price for filters. I'm gonna take them for a test ride. But first of all, I'm gonna show you how they fit and what they look like. Alright, opening the cardboard box that they came in, you're gonna get a Neewer little piece of paper, flyer thingy, and then the actual filters. Look at that. Comes in this hard plastic box with a foam insert to hold each one in there. Pretty damn cool. And here's a really cool fact, let me show you. You got the Fly More bundle. These just slide right in there in the top pocket in your DJI Mavic purse. Seal right up. Let's open this case up and have a quick look at these bad boys. Yep. That looks like ultra high definition glass and an aluminum threaded frame. To attach this to the gimbal, it looks like it's got a little tiny bit of fuzzy sticky material in there that looks like it's going to attach to the outside rim of the gimbal. And to attach the filter to the gimbal, I've just left the gimbal guard on to give it some stability, and you just literally press it on there like that. As you can see, it's on. It's not going to get in the way when the gimbal calibrates up. She's pretty solid. Alrighty, now that we got this bad boy all suited up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it down to the beach. I'm going to fly all 5 filters consecutively in a row. But what I'm going to do to give you the best true balance, I'm not going to color grade it. I'm not going to do anything like that. I'm going to fly this completely in auto. White balance, autofocus, everything in auto, so you can get a true definition of what it looks like.
Hope everything turns out okay.
The reason why I chose this spot is because you're going to get to see the color of the rainbow painting stuff here versus the blue sky and the ocean.
And Mr. Duncan just, and Mr. Duncan just,
Look at this.
and Mr.
Kevin.
Mr. Duncan takes it right,
I broke your wind.
and Mr. Duncan
I have one.
takes it right,
And I found out.
Mr. Duncan takes it right,
I broke your wind.
and Mr. Duncan
I have one.
takes it right,
And I found out.
hold it right there.
You didn't give him one.
Mr. Duncan is
My own money is bothering me. I have one. For everything. Give him a galloper, a TV. Word of our
Just waiting for the damn sun to come back out in February on the island.
bothering me. I have one. For everything. Give him a galloper, a TV. Turtle dove. Yeah.
Mr. Duncan is
My own money is bothering me. I have one. For everything. Give him a galloper. Highly nutritious. Yeah.
Mr. Duncan is
My own money is bothering me. I have one. For everything. Give him a galloper, a TV. Word of our highly nutritious.
That was very nice.
back in the studio. Well, makeshift studio here in my spare bedroom. But anyways, what'd you guys think of the 5 different ones? I don't know. Personally, I like the polarized one because the amount of filming that I film around the water and the glare really cut it down, I felt. And yeah, what'd you guys think? Make sure you leave a comment down below. Tell me what ND filters you're using or if I've done anything wrong. Again, this test was simply to show exactly what these do in complete automatic mode. So if your average bear gets out there and just starts filming, you know, doesn't want to do a ton of color grading and post-production stuff like that. Alrighty guys, well thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful. Just as I said, leave comments. I don't care, good or bad, whatever you want to do. Help me out, help you out. It's awesome. But make sure you smash that subscribe button. I got more Weimaraner stuff coming up. Actually, there's quite a dog video coming up next as well. Next, maybe.
Yeah.